Recently we sold an Isuzu Kv100 4x2 truck to Guinea. It is a light-duty cargo truck, often found in logistics and transportation, known for its reliability and versatility. It is typically equipped with a 120 horsepower Isuzu 4Kh1 CN6LB diesel engine, delivering good torque for its class. It features a 5-speed manual transmission and can carry a payload of around 3 tons, with a gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, of 7 tons. The Kv100 has a wider cab than the 100P model, with seating for 3. The chassis is designed for both lightweight and structural strength, using high-strength steel to enhance safety and stability. We are the truck manufacturer and can provide the best price and after-sales service. If you want to know more about this truck, please feel free to contact us, and you are also very welcome to visit our factory.